Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers Khan Ajilaga main headlines. Naga Students Federation Pra Minister Temjen Imna along Pra NIT Opor Assembly te statement diato against Krishi. Iran Pra US Israeli strike to Pura Puri war crime ase koikna strongly condemn Krishi. Excise Department Pra rupees 45 lakh laga seizwa Mudu Dimapur te biya Krishi. ICC Men's T20 Final to Kali, India or New Zealand Majote Khilibole ase. Naga Students Federation NSF Pra Minister for Higher Education Temjen Imna along Pra Nagaland Legislative Assembly te National Institute of Technology Nagaland naga matters te Kunba organizations pra interfere kure koikna alleged krato strongly against Krishi. Press statement te NSF President Mtai Suding Herang aru Education Committee Editor and Convener Pitongo Shitio Janashi Kijudi Minister laga remark to Federation nimite thakishe koile takan public aru Naga students laga bhal nimite issue raise kra laga responsibility lubo koikna junadashi. Federation Prime Minister allegedly housed Adha information dia opor concern junadikna itupra assembly aru public ulta fale pra mislead hubo koishe. NSF junashiki takan NIT Nagaland te choli taka recruitment process to against krikna authorities ke representation submit kurishi koikna state kurishi. NSF hisabte institute laga recruitment process te ekdam irregularities dekha nimite issue to rest kurishi koishe. They can claim kurishi ki kom se kom 50% local representation thaki kinabi khali 13.7% teaching faculty indigenous manu ase koikna junadashi. They can claim kurishi ki kom se kom 50% local representation thaki kinabi khali 13.7% teaching faculty indigenous manu ase koikna junadashi. Federation pra indigenous candidates nimite transparency aru equal opportunities thik ensure kurubo karne irregularities can correct nakuratak choli thaka recruitment process to holte rakhibole suggest krishi. NSFB Institute laga canteen reportedly non-local manukun Nagaland pra nohoy takhan pra chulai thaka opor concern janai dikna itu pra local youth aru entrepreneurs laga opportunities loy koikina junadashi. Federation bi janashi ki students kan pra academic environment opor complaints pai shikoishi kote takhan allege krishi ki faculty members lecture regularly naloy aru English te bhal pra kotha korible na parikina itu pra students khan nimite lectures Hindi pra diato bujibole diktar hoi jay koikna state krishi. Federation bi claim krishi ki non-local faculty members Nagaland University aru NIT Nishna University te takhan karne stepping stones first opportunity nishna sai koishi juntu pra dusra jagate kam pate session laga majote hi charikina jai aru itupra academic activities te diktar ane koikina junadishi. NSF Prajudi Minister Institution te allege administrative lapses aru students kan praduk paikina jai thakato janena nai koikina sawal kurikina Federation pra genuine concern raise kurato ignore na korble lage koikina warn kurishi. Takan naga demand to arbe ekbar junadikina Federation pra NIT Nagaland aru Nagaland University te Duita teaching or non-teaching poste 80% indigenous Naga representation nimite junadikna state kurishi ki takhan naga stand to Naga students naga academic rights or future bachabo nimite ase koikina junadishi. US Israeli airstrike te 1,332 Iranian civilians murishi aru manubishi jokhom hoikina ase koikina Iran naga United Nations Ambassador Amir Said Iravani pra junadishi. Iranian Red Crescent Society laga hisabte 180 nishna bacha murishi aru 20 nishna schools biya hoishi koishi. Iravani pra US aru Israel jani kina civilians residential areas aru critical infrastructure attack riase koikna attacks itu khanto pura puri war crimes or manu against crime ase koikna junadishi. 13 healthcare facilities, sports or recreational centers or 18 opor Mikey athletes be victims majote thakishi koishi. Tai junashi ki United Nations Charter laga Article 51 under Iran pra jawab diato law laga hisab te thakishi koishi or important thakishi junto te khali military objectives se target kurishi koikna junadishi. Iran war kurible mon nai hoilebi Iravani pra kotha dishe ki takan nijor laga sovereignty defend kuribo koikna United Security Council and member states ke attack to condemn kurikina peace restore kurible nimite joldi action lubule junadishi. Excise Directorate Complex Dimapur te March 6 tarik din Nagaland Liquor Total Prohibition NLTP Act 1989 aru Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances NDPS Act 1985 Section 73 under seize kora mudu juntu rupees 45 lakh nishna olai itu biakrishi. Joint Commissioner of Excise Narcotics Cell Dimapur as Pyobamo Kikon laga hisapte Department pra mudu biakrato October साल 2024 पर लयकिना January साल 2026 मजते Dimapur te thaka tinta enforcement wings district excise mobile squad और narcotic cell pra seize kolega ase koishi biakuri dia mudute 11,297 assorted IMFL or 5,369 bottles canned beer thakishi koikina junadishi. It was same time te case compounding te prabi rupees 13 lakh revenue collect korishi koikina state korishi. Sports news te ICC Men's T20 World Cup final to kali sam 7 bajete Narendra Modi Stadium Ahmedabad te New Zealand aru India majate khilibole ase. Surya Kumar Yadav pra lead korikina India kun defending champions ase takan England ke semi final te harai dia pichte finals te jaga bunaishe kote New Zealand Mitchell Center pra lead korikina semis te South Africa ke 9 wickets pra harai dikina finals te punchikina ase. India T20 matches overall te New Zealand ke 18 times haraishe kote New Zealand bhi 11 times jita record korikina ase. India T20 matches overall te New Zealand ke 18 times haraishe kote New Zealand bhi 11 times jita record korikina ase. Hoile bhi T20 World Cup games te New Zealand India against top 3 matches jitikina ahishe.